we have a Lego City set. The police patrol boat. Beep, 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 boop, boop, boop. Here's the way it looks all around. Da, 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 da. There's a light over there that a people could stand on. And there's a seat right over here, and it has a bunch of controls. A bunch of controls. Let me take the seat out. Look. And there's a bunch of controls. You also could play it in the water. You could play in the bathroom tub with a lot of water if you have a basket. And Lego City set, we have a jail right here. Da-da-da. And look, 2 antennas. There's some very weird things. A flashlight instead of handcuffs, a walkie-talkie, a red cup, and a light, and a blue light flashlight. And there's some stickers, and this one says police, police, and police. And this says number 2. Number 2. It has a top right here. Oops, I forgot to put a seat on. And also there's a speaker. It could go this way, this way, this way. And there's an extra handcuffs right here. And there's this thingy to light, and now I will show you the criminals. I use it with 200 pieces. A lot, or no. And there's a ladder. Lego City set. And there's also a ladder right here. So they could climb up and down, up and down. See? And there's two police and 2 criminals. Like this. This one has a serious face. A serious face. And also has a happy face. Happy, happy face. And I will show you the criminal ones. There's a seat at the front. There's a seat at the front, like here. And there's a seat at the back, and there's a steering wheel with no other controls. There's the back seat. And there's also a weapon it could use for a weapon or anger. And it could break out the jail too. And look. Wow! Don't make that guy sleep until fall asleep. A snip, a snip, a snip, a snip. 2 tunnels. Ouch! I'm back for the bacon. Oops! Bacon's ready. And there's also there's fire on inside. But there's a little bed in here. Don't make this guy sleep in there. Let me out of here. I'm not even tired. Let me out of here. I'm not even tired. I'm not even tired. Let me out of here. I'm coming to break you out. Whoa! Now I can finally sit up. Whoa, wake it! Oops, antenna broken. Let me get some hand. Let me get one hand. Ah, this is good. It has a coffee mug. Look, he can hold the turkey mug. And he also has a thingy that keeps him safe in the water. When he's on the water, he could float. These 2 people already have it, and 2 criminals don't have it. And they also have a bag about 200 money. And they also could wear it. Just take off his head and it will become this of a Lego City set, and put in the back. Put in like that. He has a dirty shirt under orange shirt, and then put his head on back, and then put his hat on, and then he has 200 money, and he has a bag. Like I built this set with 200 and look and try to look at the back. See you next time. Bye. What do you want me to build next?